with your mouth.
Now I'm out here messing with these danged ass birds. Look at all these birds. I'm up here looking at some boats. I'm not going by them. Woo-wee. Oh my God. Look at all the poop on the ground. That's just nasty. Oh, you know what? I'm going, cause if they poop on my head, I'm killing them. Oh God. Yeah. Up there looking at the boat. See it right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, boy, boy. Whew. Yeah. Yeah. You gotta love the boat here, you know? Yeah. Big boat, big boat. Oh, shit. Sorry. I didn't realize I forgot I had it on Zoom, y'all. Had it on Zoom. Had it on Zoom, y'all. Had it on Zoom. Yeah. Oh, I got him good. Hey, it's just super cold. It's super cold out here, y'all. I'm finna get it one more. Hey, it has so much bird shit all down. Like, oh no. It was too many. I mean, they having a ball. Damn, there's a bunch of them down there too. I'm finna walk over by the water here. Yo, it is cold out here. Ready to put that boat on the water soon. Whoo, shit. It is cold as what out here, but it's nice too at the same time. See, there's this bird dookie land here. Yep, look at all that. Woo! It's super cold. It's cold. It's cold, y'all. It's cold out here. No. Yeah, y'all. It's super cold out here. Woo! Woo! Yeah, y'all, it's cold, it's cold. Man, them birds having a party, I tell you. I'm stepping in it. Oh, God, no. Oh, you know what? Yeah, look at that. This bird doodle. Everywhere, just bird doodle. Ooh, look at that one there. Look at that. Poop. Okay, I had enough. Yeah. God, don't fly over me, because they will poop on you if you don't get out the way and let them do what they want to do. I'm up out of here, y'all. I'm up out here, so cold. Get out here and come on out here. Get up on that boat and check and see what's going on. Love y'all. Be safe.